Hello everyone, namaste and welcome to my channel Code with Pooja Gupta. It's day 15 of our consistency and I am here with you. So let's continue with the question and we will here is the question. Okay. So for today I take the lead code question. The question number is 2656. Okay. And the question title for the question is maximum sum with exactly k times. Okay. Maximum sum with exactly k times. Okay. First of all I have to explain the topic. What maximum sum. Okay. Maximum sum implies what? The element may be a maximum. Okay. Okay, with exactly k times what implies? Implies that maximum sum will be done exactly k times. Okay. Okay, here exactly k elements is implies that the total k number k numbers. Okay, let's consider that 1 2 3 4. Okay, what will the maximum will be 3, sorry 4, so maximum will be 4. So it may be, I'm not asking that question having this thing, but according to the question title I am trying to create my own logic, and then I will modify my logic according to the question description. Okay, before solving any question I am just advising you, please please be ready with the some raw idea from the get the my draw idea from the title. The title implies this, so maybe this thing will be happen. Okay, so make a raw thing in your mind. Okay, and this is what I am getting from the title, that maximum sum with exactly k elements. Okay, so maximum sum will be, I am just thinking that there may be a maximum element and have to sum that maximum element according to k elements or k times. Okay, now continue the description. Okay, it's an easy level of question. So you are given an zero index integer array nums and the integer key. Okay, your task is to perform the following operation exactly k times in order to maximize your score. Okay, so we have to maximize the score. Okay, and score, it means we are here to store a score. Okay, now there is an integer key. Okay, and your task is to perform a particular task exactly k times. Okay, so exactly k elements is here what? K element implies here is the operation which is we have to perform exactly k times. Now, what are the operation? Select an element m from nums. Okay. Remove the selected element m from array. Okay. Add a new element with a value m plus 1 to array. Okay. Increase the score by m. Return the maximum score you achieve after performing the operation exactly k times. Okay, so exactly k times. So from my critical thing, so from my thinking, while I am working on my title, so I'll get the point that I have to sum anything k times. So from there I will hear that, yeah, I'm just thinking that k times I have to do. Yeah, here is exactly the k times I have to done. Okay, so we have to select an element m from nums. Okay, and then we have to remove it from array and add a new m plus 1 value to array. Oh, and then increase it to m. Okay, now continue with the example one. I will explain you all these things while with examples, so you will get the more clarity with what are the operations are here. It's a basic operation. If you carefully read this operation, you will get the point that what the operations want. Okay, but I have my duty to explain all the things with point to point. Okay, so I am taking the example this. So what's my example? It's 1 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so what my uh question main motive, I have to return the maximum score to achieve after performing. I have to I have to achieve maximum score. Okay, so when you get anything maximum score, when you get the anything maximum score, when you get a when I have get the maximum score, when I am working with the max elements. Okay, when I am working with the max elements, I will I will absolutely get the what? I will absolutely get the maximum number. Okay, so maximum score. So here's what is the maximum. Maximum will be 5. Okay, so sorry, k equals to 3. So it here's the case value, and here's the score, and here is the element. Okay, so I choose a value 5 because I have to maximize. Here what is the sum? So sum will be 5. Why 5? Because element is added to here. It's the first iteration of key. Okay, in second iteration of key, before for going to the second iteration, what the question was tell, we have to increase element by 1. Okay, so 5 plus 1 will be 6. Okay, now what will be the sum? Previous sum is 5. Okay, so 5 plus 6 will be in second. Okay, now in the third iteration, before going to the third iteration, what we have to done? We have to done 6 will be plus 1 and it will be 7. And now 5, sum will be 5, 6, and then it will be 7. Okay, then what will be the total of 5 plus 6 plus 7? Sorry, it will be 18. Okay, so we have to just simply return 18. Like here we are returning 18. Similarly, in this, what will be the max? Of course 5 will be max. So 5 plus 1 will be 6. In the first iteration sum will be 5. In second iteration what will be? It's 6. So 5 plus 6 what will be? 11. So 11 is the, yeah, the sum will be 11. Okay, so just 11 will be written. So return 11, output will be 11. Okay, now what is the constraint? So nums dot length, it means the length of an array is anything between 1 to 100. It means an array contain at least 1 to max 100 elements. Okay, and what kind of element? So it contain any element between 1 to 100. Okay, and the value of k, so value of k is anything between 1 to 100. Similarly, 1 to 100, 1 to 100. Okay, so continue with the boilerplate code. What is here? Okay, there. First, what we need to store a sum. So int sum equals to 0. Okay, now I will use for loop. Actually, I can also use for each loop. Before using for each loop, what I have to find the maximum number. For maximum, I'll just use arrays collection sort array function to sort the array, because I know last element will be the max element. Okay, so I will just put that. What I put? I will for loop int I will be equals to 0, and it will iterate to the nums dot length minus 1, and it will be plus plus. And after that what I have to do? I have to just sum plus equals to what? Plus equals to what? Nums dot length minus 1, sorry, nums last element. Okay, nums last element will be nums dot length minus 1. And after it what I have to put? I have to just put nums ngts length ngts length minus 1 element. What will plus equals to 1. Okay, so what it will do? It will do just increase my last element by 1 and also collect the sum here. Okay, and after this my whole thing will be done, and just what return sum here. So it will return my sum. Now I am ready to run the code. So let's continue to compile and test the run case. Excuse me. Nums dot length, nums dot length. Yeah, actually I am here. Add to nums plus 1. Nums dot length will be I have to here put that the nums length will be num plus equals to nums dot length. Again it was giving me error. Actually I missed here because I am iterating the loop to the length of array. Instead I have to iterate a loop up to k times, because what I have to iterate the last, I have to iterate, or I have to manipulate the last element or max element. How many times? 3 times, so it will be up to k. So now I have to compile the code. This small silly mistake will give me a heartbreak or danger thing. So here is the tasks are accepted, and now continue with the submission. And yeah, my code is not so optimized because it was giving me things like this. 7 millisecond is the runtime, and the memory is 45.46 MB almost. So guys, I am done with this question for today. It's day 15 of our consistency, and the question description is I explained is very simple. Okay, and the code is not optimized because I am using a sort function, and after that I am using here the thing. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding this question and anything you can improve in my code, so please comment down. I will definitely keep it in my mind and I will try it. And please comment down if you have anything regarding the my skills, that I am doing this thing wrong or anything. Okay, and if you have any question regarding my things, that how I will doing this thing or this thing, please tell me. I will definitely tell you. And bye bye. I'm done with today. Okay, so bye bye. And also last but not least, please like, share and subscribe my video. And if you think that I'm doing a great job and it was worth it for you, so please subscribe my channel and comment down if you subscribe. Bye bye.